Gold finally has made a bullish breakout. A pretty strong one yesterday has been created above 4340.92, where the price did not stop at the next resistance level of 434.29, but it has continued to rise in value. We can see that in the previous 2 days the price has formed indecision candles, could not manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and we can see after that the price continued to rise in value, finally making a bullish breakout. On the 4-hour time frame we can see that this breakout has been formed here with a small candle on the 4-hour time frame, where the price has closed above the open and close price of these levels here, and which was indication of the further rise in value potentially. I have waited for this bullish breakout several days after the price has formed this bullish breakout here above this area of resistance, and the price has formed this a little bit strong bullish candle compared to these candles before that. And we can see the price is currently rising in value still. Where the price will stop, well, that is something we need to find out in the coming days, where the price will find the resistance level. For now I have 4571.00 as a resistance level, which is the next target for the daily time frame. Will the price respect this area of resistance? That's something that we will see in the future, like in this example where I have 4434.29 a resistance level, which is currently not respected, which means a strong bullish momentum is going all the way up, not seeing any strong resistance, at least for now. So for now I'm still bullish oriented. There is no still weakness, especially after yesterday a strong bullish candle that has been created on the chart on the market, which means the market is currently in the bullish oriented, pushing the price even higher and higher. So I'm still bullish oriented, but I'm currently out from the market because I'm waiting to see where the market will come and where is the next resistance or a support level for the price, so I know in which direction to trade and also in which range to predict the price. For now there is no at least clear indication where the price could reach a resistance and then stop, and especially the following days are holidays, so there is also there will be less volatility on the market, so this means that the market will move slowly. So I'm out waiting for the next opportunity, because there is also other symbols that are currently more active, so feel free to check the chat room. The link will be below in the comments, so you can also join and see what I'm commenting during the day and also what other traders are trading and analyzing. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.